My dear students of class 8, this is your computer class and I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. Today I am going to explain about the different type of tools used in Photoshop. As you know, Photoshop is a photo editing application. It contains various type of panels, and tool panel is one of the most important panel for editing your tool as per your requirements. Tool panel also contain various type of different type of tools. Today I am going to explain about the brush tool. As you know, brush tool is used to paint anything on your screen on the layer. So I am going to explain how you can use brush tool in Photoshop. First of all, you have to create a new layer by pressing Ctrl and N key or simply clicking on. You can also create a new layer by clicking File and New or simply press Ctrl plus N. And then after you can set the preset of any pixels. So I am going to take 1024 into 768, and you can also type the name of your preset of your layer, then click on OK button. Okay, then after, if you want to make your layer in full size, press F button. When you press F keyboard on your keyboard, it display your layer in full size. Again press F button to display the layer in completely full size, and again press F to come to the original shape. Okay, so first of all I am press the F button to make in full size. And today you have to use brush tool. For that purpose you have to press either in this option or you press simply B. When you press B, then brush tool is activated. Okay, and this is your brush tool, and you can use any of the brush like this, and you can draw of any thickness. You can take any of these. Okay, as per your requirement you can choose it. If you want to increase the size of your brush, you have to press close square bracket. Just I am going to press the close square bracket. You can maximize the size of your brush of any length, and the maximum size of your brush is 2500 pixels only. That means that this is the maximum size of your brush. And if you want to minimize the brush size, then you have to press open square bracket to minimize the brush size. Understand? If you want to fill your layer with foreground color, you have to press either Alt plus backspace or Alt plus del key. When you press Alt plus backspace key, it fill your layer with the foreground color. When you press Ctrl plus backspace key, it fill with your background color. And again I am going to check the you filling the foreground color, you have to press alt plus delete key, alt plus delete key and control plus delete key. That means when you want to fill your color with either foreground color or background color, if you want to fill with background color, you have to press control plus delete key or control plus backspace key. And if you want to fill with your foreground color in selected part or whole parts, you have to press alt plus backspace key or alt plus delete key. Understand? And in this option you can view a lot of brush sizes and different type of brushes. Like simply click here, there are so many brushes are there and you can use any of this brush. You just go down and use any of the brushes. If you want to use brush tool, you have to press Windows, just behind the file browser you have to see brush, but brush is not visible, so click on Windows key and then after brushes, then you can see different type of brushes. Okay, now you can use brush as per your requirements. Just see brush shape, you can use any of the brush like this one and you can draw. You can increase or decrease the spacing, click here for different type of brushes. Increase or decrease the size, you can choose any other brush size like grass you can use. Just you want to change the brush color, you have to select any of the color. Okay, and then after use this one. Understand? If you want to change the color of the grass, you can use this one, and you can also increase or decrease the spacing. You can also use dual brushes, like one is this one, another is this one, and then after use. So you can have variety of brushes. Other dynamics like color dynamics, you can change the foreground color and background color. So for that purpose you have to set the background color as a blue. Okay, now press it, you can view different type of brushes. You can set the percentage of the color, foreground color and background colors. Hue is one of the best features of this one. That means you can use different type of brushes, and you can use also opacity of the brushes. You can change the size of the brushes. Next one is opacity. If you want to create your own brush, for that purpose you have to select a completely new layer whose background should be transparent. For that purpose you have to press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and N key. Understand? And then click on layer 1 and now delete it. So for this purpose, first of all you have to draw the shape. You can draw any type of shape and you can fill with any color like control and backspace key. Fill with the foreground color. If you want to fill with background color, alt plus backspace. Understand? Then after, you have to drag the shape of any size and then deselect it by pressing Ctrl and delete. Then after, click on edit and then click on define brush option and type the name of brush like rectangle, rectangled shape green. Then click on OK button. Now you can view the brush in brush. Now I am going to take a photograph like this one. Select any photographs. Okay. And click here. Okay. And now you can set any of the brush and you can use normal and increase the size of the brush. You can select the normal or the brush. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size. First of all, I am going to increase the size of the brush. Okay, when you use here, you also do this. When you use click on behind, it color the background only. Understand? You also increase or decrease the size. Okay, different type of shapes. When you use behind, then it only fill the background color, but when you use clear button, it clear the all the screens also. Okay, that means it has variety of brush tools. You can use multiply, this one. Every time when you press, it create different type of colors. Then overlay is one of the wonderful features. Every time you feel a different, create different type of colors. Okay, it contains various of tools. Difference is also very important. It creates different type of colors as per the color where you press the brush tools. Okay, next tool I am going to verify, explain about the like hue. He also creates opacity. You can increase or decrease the opacity of the tools. Okay, that means brush tool contains various of tools and you can use any of those. I think you can understand very easily how we can use the brush tool in your images and for the drawing purpose. Thank you. That's all for the today.